holy name is not enough. Holy name is enough. Holy name is the Murti for this age. Lord Chaitanya did not personally establish any Murtis at all. But these Murtis that Govinda Dev and Madan Mohan, which Rupa Sanatana revealed, and also a great Acharya, they were already established 5,000 years ago by Krishna's relative, his great-grandson. So Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, oh, my grandson installed these deities in Vrindavan, and I saw them when I went there. I know they're there. Govindaji's in Gomata Tila, and Madan Mohani's in Dwarasaditya Tila. I saw them there. Because now you have machines which can see through walls and Geiger counters, and you hold some machine that can see whether there's metal under the ground. You think God doesn't have better vision than that? Well, he knows, so that's why he told him. He said, you go there. Bhagavan knows everything. Chaitanya knows everything. Someone gave him a Govardhan Shila, he was doing worship. He wanted to establish the only Murti that Lord Chaitanya personally established to be worshipped in the Gaudiya Sampradaya, personally himself with his own hand, is Govardhan. He gave it to Das Goswami. Das Goswami is a teacher of Radharani Bhakti, primary teacher of Radha Bhakti. Gaudiya Vaishnava is Ragmar. So Lord Chaitanya kept him for 16 years with him by his side. Rupa stayed a few months, Sanatana a few months. Das Goswami 16 years. Directly being taught by, every day being taught by Lalita Sakhi. Lalita Sakhi is Damodar. Lord Chaitanya said, Das Goswami, you stay with me. So we stayed till the end. The whole Prakat Lila of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Puri, Das Goswami was there. Every 24/7. Living with God. So then he writes the Vavali and all these amazing books, and his bhav and his mood, it's all fully anukulya for Ragmarg and Gopi Bhav, Manjari Bhav. So he worshipped Govardhan, so this was better to be safe this way. If you have a Varsana Shila, you take it back, put it on Varsana Hill, pay pranams, and follow the Guru Shastra and Sadhana.